A small sphere of radius r falls from rest in a viscous liquid. As a result, heat is produced due to viscous force. The rate of production of heat when the sphere attains its terminal velocity is proportional to. We know that power is equals to F Vt, force into terminal velocity. From Stokes' law, force is equals to 6 pi nu Vt r. If we substitute this force into this, then we get power is equals to 6 pi mu Vt square. Now we know the formula for terminal velocity is equals to 2 r square rho minus sigma divided by 9 mu. So Vt is proportional to r square and P is proportional to Vt square, r into Vt square. So P would be equal to r into r square square. So answer to that is P is directly proportional to r to the power 5 is correct.